Alright, what's up guys? We're at Toys R Us. Never been here before actually, so kind of cool. New location. We got some pretty cool plush. Couple licensed in here. We have a Foghorn Leghorn right there. He's really hard to get though. You have to spend a ton of cash on him. Hey look, there's a Garfield in there too. I didn't even notice that. We have some Avengers pillows. It was kind of cool. And try a buck. See what I can win. This frog looks so easy. This machine is just restocked, and that octopus too. This should be somewhat easy, if I'm right. My chances are good. I should get him first try. Ooh. I think I need to spin the claws. There we go. No, they're better. Okay. It only has to go a little bit towards the shoe. I mean, pick it up just a little bit. Oh, get in there. Come on. Oh, so close. And maybe I can lift him up by the butt or something. So maybe we can catch it. I'm gonna just try for his legs. Really want Foghorn Leghorn over there too. Hopefully this will get it. I'm not really quite sure. Just cross our fingers. Ooh, come on. Yes. No, are you kidding? Are you flipping kidding me? Wow. I should have gotten this guy already. A long time ago. Yeah, come on. There we go. Got him. Sweet. Huge frog. It's huge. Alright, that pillow is not gettable. So if you guys think I should go for the pillow, pillows are like impossible. They're one of the hardest things to get. They have to be like rakeable or up somewhat like by the prize chute for you to get them. I think I'm gonna try at least once for Foghorn Leghorn. Not sure about this claw though. Not sure if I like it or not. I'm just gonna see if I can catch him by the head or something. Come on. Too weak. I might be able to catch him by the head. Let's try. You know what? I'm gonna go for this octopus actually. Hopefully I can get him. Ooh, come on. Yeah, come on. This claw is hard to win from. Alright. I'm gonna go for this horse in the back. Maybe I can hook his head right here. Yeah, I'm gonna try for his head. There, maybe. That might, yes. Hook the head, yes. Brought him over, baby. Alright, 2 prizes. Nice. Okay. Ooh, Garfield is really open now. Maybe I can hook this dog over here first. This is a weird looking dog. One of the weirdest things I've ever seen. I don't know. I don't want it. I'm just gonna go for this octopus. It's like a sitting duck. It'd be easier to get this thing. That should have him. Nice. Look at that grab. 2 in a row, by the way. Alright, this is awesome. We're doing great. Alright. I got one more buck left. Let's see if we can get Foghorn Leghorn out of here. Last buck. $5 challenge. Yeah, I'm just gonna go for this dog actually. You know what? Actually, let me see if I can get something off the wall here. Let's go for this dog. Alright. Hopefully it won't hit SpongeBob on the way down. Oh, that should have him. Come on. Yes, got the dog too. What? No, stupid dog. I don't even know if I want this dumb dog. I'm gonna try to pick it up by the body. Come on, grab it. Wow, it didn't even grab. Alright, I got 50 more cents. Maybe I can dig something out. Might just try for the foghorn leghorn. That looks pretty good. See, I don't know how to get this guy. I don't know how he could be gettable. Oh, maybe. Yeah, he's not gettable. I think we're gonna end it there. I did a 550 challenge. It got 3 prizes. Not bad, actually. These two are kind of like both water animals, I guess. Alright, thanks guys for watching. Hit the subscribe button for more, and see you next time. Okay. Look at this fail Scooby-Doo right here. That's such a fail. That tag. Oh, so close. Trying to get that green Scooby-Doo, but it doesn't look like he's cooperating very well. Ooh, wow. Ooh, that might have him. Yes. Oh, yes, got that Scooby-Doo. You better stay. Oh, by the feet. Yes, drag him in. Nice. Sweet. Got a licensed plush Scooby-Doo. Alright, look at that. Nice. See, I knew he was gettable. I almost got that flying pig, too, down there. I think, what the? Oh my gosh. I guess I accidentally moved it. Crap. No. I don't know what just happened. I guess I bumped it while I was... Oh man, I just wasted a try. I'm gonna go for this Dodgers thing. I had 5 seconds to realize it though. I was gonna go for the bird, but then I kind of found out that it wasn't gettable. It should be pretty easy, maybe. Oh no, too weak. I don't think that bird is gettable though, so I don't know. Oh, no, I missed it. Oh, almost. Fine, one more buck, that's it. Last dollar. Come on. There we go. Alright, last buck for this claw machine. Nah. Oh, yeah. Oh, come on. I don't think that bird is gettable. I'm thinking going for it, but I want this mitt thing more, I think. Yeah, it's not gettable. Alright, I'm gonna leave it there.